How to unmute a story on Instagram? Just open the Instagram and tap and hold the user that you want to mute the stories of. Once you have done, tap on mute at the bottom of the screen. Now you have to select mute stories. So now you won't be able to see the story of this user on Instagram and it will be muted. In order to unmute the story of that user, you have to proceed to the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the muted accounts. You have to tap on unmute in order to unmute the story on Instagram. Now you have to toggle off the mute stories button, and that's how we can easily unmute a story on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.